In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Microsoft Word. If you've ever reached a point in your document where you want to start fresh on a new page, maybe for a cover, a new chapter, or a clean section break, there are two simple and reliable ways to do it. I'll walk you through both, explain what each one does, and share a few quick tips to make sure your page lands exactly where you want it. First, let's use the menu. Open your document and place your cursor at the exact spot where you want the new page to begin. This matters because Word inserts the page based on your cursor location. Now look to the top of Word and click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In that menu, choose Blank Page. Right away, Word creates a clean, empty page and moves anything after your cursor onto the next page. You'll see your cursor blinking at the top of the new page, ready for you to type. This is a great option when you like using the ribbon and want a clear visual step to create a new page. The second method is even faster and perfect for when you're in the middle of writing. Again, start by placing your cursor where you want the new page to begin. Then press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard at the same time. Instantly, Word inserts a page break and pushes everything after the cursor onto the next page, giving you a fresh blank page to work on. This shortcut does the same thing as the blank page button, but without taking your hands off the keyboard. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Don't press Enter repeatedly to make space. That can lead to messy formatting and uneven spacing later. Using Insert then Blank Page or pressing Ctrl plus Enter keeps your document clean and consistent. If the new page doesn't appear where you expected, double-check your cursor placement and try again. And if you're organizing a longer document, adding pages this way helps you keep sections clearly separated from the start. That's all there is to it. You can add a new page by clicking Insert and then Blank Page, or by pressing Ctrl plus Enter. Both methods are fast, clean, and dependable. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.